Salutare prieteni, eu sunt Axi și după cum puteți vedea mă aflu în Budapesta, capitala Ungariei, înaintea weekendului în care îmi voi sărbători majoratul. Majoratul mi-l voi sărbători, așa cum am spus în videoclipul de săptămâna trecută, pe circuitul Balaton Park, pentru Marele Premiu al Ungariei din MotoGP. Deși urmăresc MotoGP-ul din 2017 și mai frecvent din 2019, aceasta va fi prima etapă pe care o voi vedea din tribune.
Hozzatok kanesztent!
Tejfölös lángos az arcba, és mehetünk a harcba, testvérem. Együtt a banda, és azt mondom, ez nagyon veszélyes. Vállalkozók vagyunk, itt nincsen replika. És mivel foglalkoztok? Árnyékolás technika. Van millió, van illi, van millió. 3310 Nokia telefon. Egész nap a csapatom, Bacardi a csajom, és hív a Balaton.
Amíg Mugello az egyik kedvenc pályája, és egy olyan pálya, ahol nagyon-nagyon fekszik neki a Ducatinak a terelhetősége, addig a Balaton Park Circuit az egyik legnehezebb pályája, ahol tavaly is nagyon-nagyon szenvedett.
A greșit un KTM acolo, cred că-i Binder.
Ugye látjuk, hogy egyrészt a Ducati uralom, az hát most megkívánható szerintem, hogy ennek vége van. Hogy kellett crossozni, vagy bármi más felkészülés során, ez nem jött elő ez a probléma, csak is kizárólag akkor, amikor éles helyzetben volt. Úgyhogy eltávolították ezt a két
És ez a Balaton Park között kipipálja ilyen szempontból. És a végén olyan elkezdett éledezni a 35-es KTM alatt, csak ez elfogyott a versenyben. Ez annak a második helynek akkor nagyon
sorolni meg.
még egyszer ne nagyon tudja megtartani.
Igen, a kavicserről változtattak, szerintem megy akár a magukon a kavics.
Tárgymasló.
Igen, és hát az Apriliáról beszélünk.
Mennyire mutatja a 25-es Trackhouse-as Apriliát, akár a futamgyőzelemre esélyes versenyzők között is, csak hát nyilván te is említetted, Ákosztához hasonlóan neki is.
Pályát kihasználni. Tehát megvolt a lehetősége. most már csak ő is azt mondta tegnap, hogy az tök jó, hogy a tudom első felében is azt tudna lenni, mert egyelőre még ő nem többen egyből.
Ziua de vineri a fost una plină de acțiune pe circuitul din sud-vestul Ungariei. Sesiunea de dimineață a fost adjudecată de Marc Marquez, în timp ce după amiază, în precalificări, cel mai rapid a fost Pedro Acosta. Coechipierul lui Marquez nu a reușit să treacă în Q2, acesta va fi prezent mai târziu în Q1. Așa că haideți cu mine în tribune, deoarece a început antrenamentul cu numărul 2. Deja se aud turațiile motoarelor de pe circuit. Trebuie să recunosc că ieri, în ziua de vineri, nu prea am putut sta cu ochii pe ecranele din jurul circuitului, deoarece am filmat piloții, am filmat motocicletele și am făcut și câteva poze pe care vi le-am arătat mai devreme. De asemenea, vis-a-vis de locul unde stau în tribune, este garajul lui Peco Bagnaia. Am reușit să văd atât ce fac piloții în garaje, Bezzecchi, Bagnaia, Di Gianantonio, Marc Marquez, Aldegher și mulți alții, dar și câțiva dintre tehnicienii acestor echipe, precum pe Luigi Dalinia de la uzina Ducati.
Bányáihoz össze egy jobb kört, egy 30 az értékelhető körökkel, úgyhogy nagy változás már illetőleg nem lesz, bár ájógurom. Az még viszont, hát azért vélhetőleg az időmérő alatt ennél egy picit nagyobb lesz majd a tempó. harmadik kettő viszont itt a Q1-en fog majd eldőlni, hogy kik jutnak be. Csak a rendkedvéért a mezőnye a Q1-nek, Fabio Quartararo. Na már csak 20 másodperces zöldre vált a box utcánál a lámpa, és akkor jön ki mindenki. Nyilván itt most nem is nagyon fog a mezőny túl sokat várakozni a garázsba, jönnek is ki a motorjaikhoz a versenyzők, többen már itt fel is sorakoztak. Úgy zöldre vált, meg is kezdődik a Q1, és jönnek is ki a versenyzők, hogy megpróbáljanak helyet szerezni. A tesztelt. Nem nagyon van tapasztalata a MotoGP technikában, ennek ellenére felült erre a motorra. Ennek a körnek jóformán annyi, lehet, hogy vissza is fog jönni így a box utcába Quartararo bizony, be se fejezi ezt a kört, hiába volt mindösszesen 94 000. Kezdik el. Az eddigi köridők alapján. Túlzottan sok pihenője nem lesz. Se Bagnajának, se Marininak, mert ugyan jó 8,5 perc múlva folytatódik is a program a MotoGP-nek a Q2-ével. Picit lehet fújni, picit lehet frissíteni. És esett az egyes kanyarban.
Da, Max a căzut aici, în fața noastră.
Ez nagyon gyorsan a feje tetejére állíthatja a dolgokat. Az élen, négyen Bagnaia a második 1.37 Ezek már kezd saját magánál a annyiba hagyja már ezt a körét. Márquez nyeri tehát! Mendes 7, Jorge Martin majd a 8. helyről fog indulni, Luca Marini végül szállít egy 9. helyet, Ayogura.
The man to beat is the one that is starting in pole. This always, and it's normal. But it's true that this morning I tried to be aggressive on the bike. I tried to use a lot of energy. Yesterday I was riding in eco mode, just try to flow, try to save energy. Today I give everything because I knew that the qualifying practice is half a sprint and half a main race. Starting in the pole position will help, but our target at the moment, fight for the victory, will be difficult for all the laps. But let's see if we can fight for the podium. Depends a lot about the start.
Brilliant lap, well done. Thank you.
We are at majestic Mugello once again.
Marc Marquez. Ferminal de Gher, câștigătorul de anul trecut din Indonezia, calificat pe 3 în închiderea primei linii.
To attack Pez on the brakes into Sandinato. He's got the inside line. Is he going to get it stopped? Because there's a big heyday there from Martin. He's going to run in hot. He's going to run in wide. Be careful here. A 1-2 factory accredited team.
Am ajuns așadar la finalul calificărilor de la Marele Premiu al Ungariei din 2026. Pole position-ul a fost cucerit de Marc Marquez, care căzuse în ultima secvență de calificare. Totuși, pilotul uzinei Ducati a reușit să își adjudece în cele din urmă cel mai rapid tur, urmat de Pedro Acosta pe locul al doilea și Ferminal de Gher pe 3. Topul 5 a fost închis așadar de Fabio Di Gianantonio și Pecco Bagnaia, piloții Aprilia având două rezultate de calificare modeste, cu liderul clasamentului general Bezzecchi pe 6 și Jorge Martin, câștigătorul din Franța, doar pe locul al 8-lea.
folytatta a remek szereplését. Úgy néz ki, hogy azzal a...
Pecco Bagnaia echipându-se pentru sprintul de la Balaton din 2026.
Történhet Pecco Bagnaia-val, hiszen azért mégiscsak egy gyári Ducatin ül.
Casca, catalanul.
Nem nagyon van kihívója már Márqueznek az egyes kanyarnál. Nézzük, hogy mennyire férnek el egymás mellett, szépen konszolidáltan, tisztán veszik be. Után érmeket osztunk.
6 a plecat.
După cât?
De pe 6.
După 6.
Uite, s-au strâns acolo, au venit și Dalinia, și Rivola, și toți.
After that, I started to really have troubles with the rear. So very happy with this result. Came with a lot of tough moments. So yeah, now we will work for tomorrow. Right, Brian. Well done. Thank you. Back in the podium for this. We have just to try to improve for tomorrow. Top job. Well done. Thank you, buddy.
Strategy works in a better way. Tomorrow will be a longer race. Let's see how we can manage.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please welcome to the podium in third place, Marco Bezzecchi. In second place, Pedro Acosta. And today's winner, Marc Marquez. Marc Marquez!
În acea mașină se află cei 3 piloți de pe podium. De pe podiumul de sprint, desigur, Marc Marquez, Pedro Acosta și Marco Bezzecchi. Nu, se duce direct în paddock. A fost un sprint destul de procesional, însă ceea ce a urmat după, în fan zone, mi-a marcat efectiv acest weekend. Și trebuie să recunosc că ultima zi de dinaintea împlinirii vârstei de 18 ani a maturității a fost una dintre cele mai frumoase din viața mea. În videoclipurile și imaginile care urmează vă voi lăsa cum mi-am întâlnit eu câțiva dintre idolii și eroii din copilărie pe care îi urmăresc de mulți ani pe televizor și i-am văzut pentru prima dată în persoană.
I had an friend of that make Erasmus, and I visited him last year.
Okay.
Yeah, it was very funny in Budapest.
In Budapest, did you like the city?
Yeah, I enjoy a lot.
Okay, Sergio, and nothing directly
I've
to the racetrack.
been here only for race last year and also this one, but yeah, I cannot see nothing of Hungary.
Okay, hopefully next time you can also find the time to do something. So I already mentioned your girlfriend. And you know, every time there's a competition in life, no? Moreover for a racer. So I checked that she has 4 million followers on Instagram and you have less than 200,000. important?
Yeah.
Sorry.
But it's okay.
Really in love with nature, is that correct?
Yeah, I love it, and also the animals. So
She has a goat.
two goats.
I heard
also
something.
some-
Okay, so it's true. It's not just a gossip. Okay.
Some horses now.
Horses?
Yeah.
Leave Hungary with really good memories and really good results. But that's okay. So we have a bee. It's okay. So let's forget a little bit about bikes. What about fashion? Fashion. I think you
like.
You like, right? That's
I like
why I'm
my
asking.
outfit.
So what can you tell us? Favorite brand? Please enjoy your time and thank you so much for coming, and also
That I follow.
yes, or is there anyone?
I mean, there are some famous Colombian I have
James
relationship,
Rodriguez.
let's say.
With?
Like sometimes with the singer J Balvin.
Okay.
Balvin, we write sometimes each other, and it's a good guy. Yeah.
And any other singer maybe that you like? Nothing with Shakira?
Not yet. No.
I heard that you're learning some dance moves and stuff like that.
No.
Because
But
honestly,
I will be fine if Shakira write me. I will be.
you would be open to
will.
reply.
I will.
Because actually, we have something prepared for you.
Shakira.
I don't want to disappoint you. We don't have Shakira. We have just some music from Shakira because I heard that you maybe can do some dancing for us.
He's the Colombian, eh?
I don't know the new song.
Okay, now we can learn together. It's quite good, I think. Which one you want then? The one before. I think this. Yes. We can do the Waka Waka. You want to do the Waka Waka?
It's new. I don't.
Yeah, I know. It's for the World Cup.
Yeah, but still, now it's not the World Cup. Like.
Nice, no,
Nu, mai sunt 6 zile.
This is Africa. It's time for Africa.
Let's go!
Muchas gracias. Regarding riding and the race and the practices, but we would like to more know about you as persons. So first of all, I think your name is quite obvious. If we say Senna, I think we all think to the same person. Is that correct, that you got your name after Ayrton Senna?
Yeah, of course. Ayrton Senna, I think, well, my father and my father really, was a big fan. And then me, growing up, not really understanding till you're at an age to understand who he was, and then investigate the career, understand who he was as a person, the athlete and the driver he was, and that's someone that I've always looked up to. Yeah, for sure it was a tragic thing at that time, but seems to be the champion on and off the track, so quite honoured to have the first name. Also to have his last name as the first one is a little bit different, but yeah, I've met some people in my life that have the same name in Asia and things like that. But it's definitely only a couple, and it's quite special.
Acolo sunt piloții Trackhouse, Raul Fernandez și Ayo Gura. Hi, can we take a picture, please?
You.
Why?
Because it's a bit difficult sometimes to get some longer answers from you. And you scared me.
I always give you answer if you ask something.
Okay. I heard, did you try goulash? The soup?
I did, yes.
Yes. How was it?
It's fantastic.
Yeah, you don't make my life easier. What did you say is the what?
Yeah, but the soup, well, I'm not a big fan of vegetable, but there's so much vegetables inside, and I still can enjoy with the soup. So probably that's the biggest reason why I like that soup. Yeah.
Chiar săraci Lau și Diogo Moreira de la Lucio Cecchinello Racing.
Yeah. It was a nice one. Yeah, I mean, I shot before the match, the video, and was good to see like this big person, no? Because at the end, Ronaldinho was a super good soccer player. So at the end, I was super happy to receive this video.
Have you ever played also soccer? Because this guy did, if I correctly remember, right?
I did before I raced, yeah.
And also before he was born, I guess.
Yes, yeah, for
Sorry.
sure.
Sorry.
Before he was born. Real estate with
Iker Lecuona și Fermin Aldegher de la Gărzini au venit și ei la prezentarea din Fan Zone.
Yeah, I can imagine. How was it for the first time? I never had any private flight, so I cannot imagine how was it.
Super. It's a nice experience because you don't do nothing of time. When you arrive, you fly, and it's nice. You eat whatever you want. It's all ready. It's nice.
And also it's faster, and you have to travel a lot. You are ahead of becoming a father, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes, right.
When? Can we ask when? Or you? I don't. Maybe a superstition. I don't want to talk about it.
No, looks like 19th of July is the day, so almost one month. I think she's coming earlier, but yes, let's see.
Quartararo! Quartararo! Ok, nu am prins asta pe filmare, dar Fabio Quartararo tocmai mi-a zis la mulți ani.
Alex, how are you feeling so far in Hungary?
Well, I feel more or less. As you can imagine, we are not in a good moment. Our bike, we all are struggling a lot. But yeah, as Fabio said, look how many people we have cheering for us. So this is nice. Thank you so much, guys.
But I hope you consider Tony Arbolino as your friend.
No, it's my brother.
Ah, okay. That's why you didn't understand my question. Because a small bird told me that you also used to do his French homework.
Yeah, but this was 15 years ago at least, even more. So.
No, they cannot be that. 15,
Yeah. I'm getting old. It's 15 years ago. I was 12, so it was 15 years ago I did his French homework. So he was already lazy at that time.